ma boye do kure. E Johnny Kabaka agwo ba tak me ogun ba ya gbugbe. Because of my nuke wu. E Kabaka no bi adwo. Ogwo ba ga gbue. Wa sungu. We have begun to wear say every word, ever not be every word said or began to wugwe. If about never lay we were. No barakmo. Oh, ya there for.
If you live in Maduma, your mama, idiot.
The man, your papa, na me and your papa, they're there for the same psychiatric hospital. Ma rebu we keke bi we, ma gbabo we, o wakpa na simi o meme. Iyo salobo agba wa keke be Kabaka. We ga we Kabaka nu we ga o meme ma ke gbe.
Let drag me talk. Drag me. Eranofi.
We to ame pardon me na we ma tu de. Me uda me ma begi me ma brother.
Drag me. Drag me. Eranofi kuma gwan.
Wa be ba o. We di kata ba. Iwe emi yara wa ne. Ni mai gba okoto. Na ya ma dan no gwe maru webu o egi no. We de baba hai. O we ni ka o no zole ma dan la dia webu ma. Me begi na wo gi me. Rudaye no te do to agbe. Ma we no edo we no gba no ran gara. Wa begi ma ya ni rewe bonanya. Ewi no di ma wu wegbe. Igo ni ma zeye boni ogbagbe. Igo no se ma ya ri o passion ma zekwa akwo esi a ya gbon ma ze ya yedoni. Ada e ma waro no wa vivi egun no bakke ave ivi egun iyeke. Ni ya igbele eyutima ni ya si eyuti masikoto. E no ka bok pa modin ve mene e Kabaka haina. Ni ake loge do Kabaka mai twice and fois. Even the last a threat na ne asare nu dan he threaten a whole state. Even threaten Edo state, Benin City ni. You are threatening Nigeria. I'm telling you. Ama mi ekenona ladian no we ni ebe izoja regbe. Ma mi no gba oko de ma na e. Si se ogi deverio because no jime ka bogwan kan ebe Kabaka ruda a you chairman he. It means we are going to vote him out of youth chairman. Youth chairman ye. Ogbe youth chairman. Kabaka he.
But you
For him to utter that word where na the space in Ijaw. Edo state yan je abi state yan. Abi state yan. If you are in Edo state, you want to coexist with Edo state. You have to speak the language. You have to do whatever you know that you will protect that state. You understand? Not for you threatening the state, and you said you want to still be a councillor or a governor or a local government chairman. It will never be well with anybody. No, we not again. If Joy Yaru, never the again ya book. Okay, about what damn it, and then damn it because many eyes are only boom with babien where o man or you code no go pa there are no ya control ring grodini no ya ke na power abibieto ana hina
Mona for one block on
no ya ke no power abibieto Ruda no ja abibi just zeti nania abi go here Nasari betopolo rienia ojian zeti bojo ma zeti igo no yuti mani rowa iya mami eke na iberi ogian iya ya vivi jorenia to alele iye do kan. You understand? Now you are not telling us to give Ijaw a space. Ni ave doru. Okay, now akwa iberenia. Inya where a Tony job for governor or a given no. So again now, since I we ma aware when I beg all day. Everyone o. Since a himana hina ni malao na kwe kabaka e. Ni mare sinyo sege na ne money we day. On a egbe manibu. On a egbe manibu webo. On a egbe mama wete. Anya moya. So we will back the people at home. We will back them up for them to stand. Kabaka must leave that a youth chairman. This is not how to represent youth. I think I should not need to take a time a magbede ma nota. Nika si I never.
E-money, are you there? E-money.
Iwari mana my brother. Iwari waya buta no that telling my boy. Waya buta. Why agree with the ata wala waya buta. Edo we ege aya senior a woman eh. So egbe mi no tani e ma no ta be mi no na ta very on egbe me ni ma. Ege ne ne asari to kumbo na ya teveni ha da ni he asari to kumbo ni. Era teveni brother part of Gwan that's a pano molest. Oh Gwan, I was even expecting ye Gwan ye ma Gwan understanding na. So at the time ni ya tani egbe me ni ma edo we ama se ememi bari. So ina be bulufwa otene my lovely you know where my lovely sister Ivy la vena bugbe we take care is la iwa digwe mo yen be na
do mo fi a to ave ke ngba je do e to ave dia
la oni a yen be no je na o se we la wo
degree ma wa me dia ma de to wa ge to ave
Kabaka start before if you sorry about it before Emake are we ma water. We me down tala de unu.
Metara we agwa olo oba mo understand na. So no egbe me ni egbe me no moto ta egbe ni dem ma to go mata ma we that egbe me ni dem ma mata ma we na ta so me yaru wa ari appreciate wa ya wesi oba to pe say wesi yeah
ibi adere la wo phone ring ibodo wa ya fefefe wa ya mia wa ga lenu gbe no ga ru ma o adome o iwa na gi u come o ga lenu gbe no ga ru ma o ibi se me o iwa na gi u come o do wa ge wala de toni Kabaka o dari mana sika egbe iwo keke ma ota niye kale o edika o yeto ni Kabaka mane o mane doya magba ene o Kabaka wagwepo Jacques Jamie ojuhi kabapa Kabaka nerekia uzono fiebe atakalode Kabaka nuda doya we manuel manibia doya mawe no kawo no lajana mawo agbu mawo to asuhu Iye do ya fefefe do yi na bi ene do ma wi ba bo kin Allah we gbe Kabaka no bi adun to ni Kabaka tu ga sunwo ira bo no kin Allah we gbe wa ge to ni Kabaka no ore do to ni Kabaka wa viero mo bo no ya kwa adoria ma iwe to ni Kabaka rio obiado awe mi si busy bloody no right egbe yo saloboy de agwe bogbije wasu kapapa eka neyowa Tony aneyowa Tony awekia Tony no sungu Tony no sotedo Tony sotegwa Tony views on a boy we are talking wasu we Tony Kaoswo Jacques Mojemi Jacques Mojemi Logi si ona you egbe Tony Kabaka we no yuki we never weno you never wa me hu era ira re nu so ra afien kelawa ya aju eri bi obege ni owo egwisi papa no bi eziyan egwisi papa no ye eziyan Tony Kabaka iwo bera anorie egwisi papa no ye eziyan wa sungu mede nuwe la video ma be mede nuwe awa bewa o ma na gbara wa ogun ogbo e wo ma na gbari be wa mo do Tony Kabaka iba bo fi ekun le lu e awekia wa Tony no gbonisa Tony no gbonisa nu pe gbe ogodo Oba se ki gba onisa ni we Tony se Tony gira nu yota o agba pado bi omo no yiga ve Oba se ki fi eki ayo ni se Tony Kabaka go yiwe wa gbe o omi untan
Ijaw. Amaka, are you there? Amaka. Okay. Maybe she's. Love it. We might go out man.
Ezana na ya no so no woto wa ya wa buta. Ezana na ya no so no na ve. Oge Ijaw na. Gele ve ne pan kai. Me to bi me be a expect na we. Eme Tony Kabaka ma we ladia no we go yo no we kamia we. Asare ne no obes ni no ha ma we a. Edoni meje uwe ranu no we uwe mukode ma ho we. Amen na Romagua. Ye wa adina do beg video no te do na interview we ya na ino we wa ni wa ni nigo ye metis we ni na we avo edo ni we metis we ni ri an ge gbase na na ge met ami wan e bi we no wan ni agbase ro edo ni ma ni wi edo ni ma meti gogo you we gbe we no hema as long as we do ni oji Evani mena we imisunu and a panogwan for power where you're a youth leader me ma understand e di one we youth leader a youth leader o keke no ga youth onye ki o man yen giro so what is youth leader na ye mu yo veni ye ki o man say na youth e post ni ma keke yen as a youth like ye ma duty yen as a youth leader you understand man
point of correction, madame, youth leader is youth leader APC.
Then David Okina, it's just a point of correction. We're correct because youth leader.
My sweet sister,
advanced person of a way youth leader.
Daniel, on is another one. You understand me? APC on
because all advancing. Why agree? What
you are correct, Daniel. You not saying not correct you, you are correct. The way APC on the youth leader. A PDP on the youth leader do. A youth leader APC party a youth leader Labour Party we raw. A youth leader PDP we raw. When a party de Joanna we are kunyo on ngori anikin. But then you youth leader do. In my point of correction, you might get a.
This one, we understand the one. Yours only for the party, you already do.
To youth leader APC a PDP we mo rien. A PDP na we are power ban we do beg no we youth leader rien we la dian. But only youth leader do. So we must know that.
Ultimate call. Happy. We are the working out. Mute boy.
Where say Papa Kiss for that correction?
God bless you.
Happy. Mais où c'est ça? Ni de regarder toi.
Tu vas le time of record yo. Egbenye that dog.
Tu m'as voir ça.
Ubege e problem ni ado asi ye ogin man orewe bo na egbena. I material webo negbe okima ma ya ne ma ya ni rewe bo ma ya e. So panya ni ro wana ya ma do wa ihe ma. Mama mwe problem gian wa de. When ya ko wa do asove. Beto wa ya na ni wa rie igo iye na. Kavi gbine dion ke ya. Oze ni ya ni do awena ana wena wete bun agwe ro we egun. So kuma ra te me gbe ma. E de mo te de gbe. O se we da do re wa ko no wa re gbe la dian na Kabaka. I could be position so far ọmọ pa ìmọ̀ yíyàn wà ìmọ̀ yíyàn so far ne robo awari ujo gene betave na ni ri egbe ladiana ni mave na ya sin osege ne do na iye hian layen APC youth leader ni re ni o mai heke no reposition ropa because o se gbe iviedo ara wonu eyan ga tenwe mu bete ma ve ga ko if you gbede ma ve na anya ko ede we kedo mi ana ori logo they have do you hotel do junior hotel do you togi man o ladiana they man might bege we ori re do ni don might bege o mai ko e threaten we a grand do we always the next battleground Edo State. Then when he reply, maybe I feel where I'm giving you a chance of pressure. Okay, na very again ni ave ya a contest. Okay, Jimmy akpavio do bomb me where then go in rock by we. Where waran to na ladian. Egedegede ne na ni vi joga le ni ma hon ba bege oba ere jawa na je koti ba iya na we Ijaw moto wa ni oto e mo no ba do ya now we na do ri ege ni ya akwe 50 years time iya we itoni ya gi no ni ya we governor iya gi like governor na we gi jagun iya gbele na gbele Egeni, ogin evima, ogi sofai. This is the right time. Na ya kyo yan. So aba we na ege na ya pay ye Channel TV, pay ye AIT, amana pay ne ya wa ko pay ye gwe gwan. Omo no ha we na no ya represent women, even no je yan ya ta mo wani no ta. Yan ke do broadcast so nika we on again. So as they play the show and with the sian. So e Kabaka o yin wa mo gbin yen gboto. Yen phone.
Exactly.
So
Baba, ma be nutaba na we ni akwe NPC we. Wado tile. Akwe Kabaka NPC we. E ran Kabaka yen ya ende. Wa wo re ta wa ya gbede ne na yuto. Kabaka ohin aye kan era Kabaka hin awuyi because o gbede saje no eto ni Kabaka po eto salopo
Otene ivie on ni atama we ya ti we pike mayere ma ya pike ya ti we
okay daddy
okay
Emi asunu we do ayi mie ma no wa wege gbebo wa imanire we bo managi go ne na managi go ne na
Yo, what's up guys?
Ayi mie aropa wa don Ya vivie going, ya bari growth regani. Ya ye Kabaka gbele abi wa. Ovie do ari Kabaka no ya afie ye ovie do okwe do mi we regrowth ni. Abi vision na abi going ya afiore. We mono man egbe. Gani ya ego tamarine. Ge ya fe kwanya. Again na ya a result of a result at na. For many years.
Ebana wahama we yebe na ale ala maybe wa ku ma ko maybe agu ya gbeli ma na woke ale me na egbe ma na wa o ya ha mi ya
o e wa no
ke ni ala wa ere o wado ge ye wa no egbo
I will not worry, I'll talk to them. Erigroti ye nyama Erigroti no wana collecting go for almost 16 years. Then na Erigroti ga iwe ga gbekoto. Ya ye nyanga no control.
Where's that okay? Edoman, unmute yourself.
My brother, Wayawa Boa, agree the two Waya, drag me, agree to Baba. It's Waya, Wayawa Boa. When any time, my brother, host, are you hearing me clear? Okay.
Yes, man.
Even in my only method that when I listened to that video, Tony Kabaka, okay, Kabo shock because so my expect on the way me so. O Gabo Baloma, especially on again, I see me near Igboma. A video near I don't really know because no why or wake gave me. We are not talking about the politics. Politics different from dragging of ownership. Politics different from dragging of territory. The Ijaw, I'm not talking about the governor when with development here. We are insulted the governor of Edo State. They leave the governor of Edo State. They are claiming the ownership. Who is the ownership of the Edo Sat? Manonia. They are referring to the palace of the Omonoba of Benin because that is our heritage. Where then we go down to the Benin. Then we go down to the Edo people. Then we go down to the Benin and burn the Benin down. Or Tima Egbon Mariana. Ivi Biekana Anya. Even they are sorry to Kubonari. Ona send the message. They have been sending message to your downstairs. The friendship in Wegime, Doko den Wagiwa is anywhere. Oko den a book be there. How can you be claiming my territory because you have a friendship? And you yourself as an Edo man, if man now look onto Ugu Jesku, my Jesku, you have supposed to have an advisor. You gave a video now, he can publish it, or man no Jesku no make history, no emi ya. Kake lugi ane lawyer ya, wa gbon ye gie. Oh well, no, this is not the time to issue this word because we may follow us. Because your people, this is your people. To remain friendship with Ijaw, you have to be very, very careful, and you have to stand by your people. A man where the Gelegele did not belong to your people. They went to the extent that betraying the traditional ruler that represent the Edo Sat or Jiawe. Then you now come out where the Ijaw was there. The Benuya Tie Patoni Kabaka, where the Ijaw forefather was there before us. Where did you read that?
Could you imagine?
Where did you read that? Well, tell me, you people think well, Lenuwa, you tell to one my year school. We would a book one a time when man if do my year school. Do you think the Ijaw are well educated more than us? Gemanila Diani rant, fighting for their whole fathers, Emani don't say him as a tenant. Sending a threat to us every day. Instead of near Tamima where we say, they are not laying claim to the ownership where we have the proof. Emani had to mark out the video le 20 gear. They know Ibania say na march here House of Assembly. The man after they will not view documents here with no problem. They even issue where a court case in law. All this one. You might hear to anyway, okay, a proof in our ballot. You now come to her. You are not defending Ijaw against your people. And we were here a Google here do. If you were telling, do you have the proof? A patoni Kabaka. If you were telling, when the proof here. People have been dragging us. Ugema ya, ni ladia ya, the video ya, the permanent people. I reply there. They don't know where. We're not total because you feel that you imagine one as a go wusia. When you don't defend your land today, if you when we be your doni, they going to claim what we are doing to say. All this one look at the threat ni ma why we media none is not resolve it to the land. It's always seeing na media. None is not media or rekeluwayene. Manire we bo we be using our internet, our education here in my because the language of Emma here aje school amwina awola agagbina no go ma rate na idea va son avant debunking of bene we are not sleeping because I believe why me ona no here no rotor no wa mudiaji even the children yana here ibieka I boys ina yana ri unda there yana ya investigation and okay, so why we call them my people. Now money na here. You not came out to roe. Umay so what? You are not using it against the people.
Baba, egui. Vudemi na mani mewe bologisi mi osega do. Na me mame Tony Kabaka na owa. Ima give ukbeso we ave kwani ameme kwa. Mana do bi ave gi ave gbe mama na we do aro bi egbe. Vudamu udana. You understand the mame? Vudamu udana. No, warigo. Who that told you, who's on stroke, yari ba. My brother, I don't want to talk again. Me and your mute because me, the way I take the verse, if me on my video, anybody will come up, come tell me say don't do. Or go and move behind me, yeah. I they tell them, I know your climb up that they come tell me say don't do.
Norigo wayawa wesi. Amagwe negerigo, but you are hitting the money. You are laying claim to the people, normal in your land. And then you were tala no I see or I wait now where now I wear in Natia, where I wear normality as a weakness. Where take him money or I caught you where what on it. A case yari because we are doki. Where before us. Where did you read that? Do you have the proof? Tony men no weapon. Do a video and bring the proof. Makegele believe where area ya arrive before the Benin. Because this is what the joy is
Tony pa la wo oji no oji ugo atakparakpa Tony atakparakpa okay poare poare la imi poare I mean poare.
It's so very shameful. No matter of you go, I am matter of you go. Why am be na no jobo? What jarring no matter of you go? What jarring no me a different group with people, different association. Are they using it to give you people respect? Yeah, tell me matter of Ijaw or tell me matter of Igbo, matter of Igbo. Then you are not using it to bring out the powers of the Benin down. Adiya na ya geni. No, you are little, you are only kude. If you do your one way, but if you do so. Now, my friend, a politician, my the politicians. Uwa ya hami ebigbe. O ni ka ya gbinigbina na hema. Ni mayaro the dene na we be doma. Even when the white people came, the Obavoramesi stood for us. Akpa baba wine, o wa hima fwa. O wa hima fwa na wine na je. Na ina miawe kalabaya ye oba lele ya we o wa hima fwa wa sane beni.
Wa kieni makwa baby not of course right there mama ya dole doji.
We supposed to know. Because we are not seeing it. This thing is a sacrifice and all. Where is your protection today? The Asoro and Ho. Edu Dima ma edu over the na yabe na. One jani ai. because of friendship and ilalobo. Now you want to give your territory to somebody, not as a tenant. Who give you the right? Where do you read that? Israel today, Egypt, Israel, Ayegbina, ama gugwe no wanyami, uwa tota, gugwe lele tunu buriye ba le nonari ra, vivi boriun la diabeko, we ma bege vini video bawi yai. We ma bege vini video bawi yai, oda ma wa binya ba, wiya pele ba. If Joe Bagui Stadium, here we governor of Lagos State. Here kwe after
Baba I say gbado Tony Kabaka or iwa se gbama se or iwa regboto egbi go na ya collect o be a driver bu working over to oya what be your name oya give money you ma give money agbe uye wa o wa se gbado odo azele bo no magba ona o ho na e do e Kabaka o ye do obi gbo na maru e abi gbona agwa gbele agwa fiyan na ba je yin ma ti fie Tony Kabaka u fo re azese ye amu ya wa ye orin ya ma kini na wa ye do te yo ba ye ni amu ye wa ye wo do ni na ye Tony Kabaka ya
Papa, let me round up just 1 minute. No ma be gun agui. Even ni me oni meta pa Tony kuwe kasari de ne record e clear se. But look at the level Nasari Tukubo Jirena. And he's still speaking for people with confidence, with lies, or ye debaya. On a total year, well, I get stretchy good work when no year do. Come where or you came up on artistry, no magba. Do you not see all that video? What do you do right now? Who when I ladia? Where we talk about it, my school, you cannot defend it. And not the other, if I have the documents in Ladia, no, we have the work verify in Anna. Or you get message, well, I get documents in there. That land belongs to the Bini. Oh, say, Moki, please, you respect my people. They do not came out. Why they respect you? Who were work boto way man, and a lot of people. If you have a video no way, so the no reto yo ba do back in wedona. Can he do that? The quick buwaya muwa. You do what there na? E yo ya feel look back ma. Ale non arrive. Aga miona muwene. Ale wene no am with big botowa. We can't even stand our respect. My give money. You do why so? Mani build na Mario Jajo wa area iwa. It will continue. Me again no wa see time is coming. Obi where is a little tikala back ba ho yon cause wa sunwe. Or is so take back ba ho yon because we man defend it go say. But we see.
What's up, man?
I want to go la ni je pe la wa anage Kabaka na wa ma be Kabaka ma ko ye dunia Igbo na hinia Igbo esage no mi egbe bugbe oya ohi ibi sembe ona ye ona yi we ki ruzon ona yu nu me ho ya Igbo na maru Igbo ona do ye gbe ne kakaka ni ona ya Hausa Tony Kabaka awe DNA ne Tony Kabaka Tony Kabaka ije wa re wo ga rugbe me jere amu ami wa no ma hu ye Tony Kabaka na ya bi Tony Kabaka ya do wa iti ya do o jagmo jaimi o jire do be na re do kidnapper Tony Kabaka o introduce yare yo ya invite Tony Kabaka o ya fi so Ijaw ni ya do kidnapper agbonoga emi gemi mage o sa mo Joseph Tony Kabaka again igo ni abi Tony Kabaka ya gbe vision guy abi una forget say na Ijaw people na kidnap let us mo Joseph agbonoga emi no ye bu ko fe kebe Tony Kabaka yo vision yo ya tami agbe yi wage o onana emi ise dogwa no wa ya mu Tony Kabaka ya kidnap ya Oh, when you are looking up at Tony Kabaka, and you are having on a common knocking off you, Bomameto, Tony Kabaka having one like that. I'll get kidnapper, I'll get any Bomawa. I will do more, I will beg Bewagua, Tony Kabaka. Iwenika oya man and wago, Manivia Doka Mago, Enika oya money. Ni me keta mu wa we Tony Kabaka done of your Viaviano. Tony Kabaka be right. Tony. Ama umeka egwe wa gwo he o ite titalo ile
What's it? Messi, Messi Brown. Messi, are you there? Gwimagwan.
Adomo, Wako, Wabota.
Pastor.
Am I free to talk?
Yeah. Gwimagwan.
Wako, Wabota, many rewebo. Meno of you were comrade Anita Brown and his. Wako, I've been on ground. I've been hearing all what people have been saying. It was damn me, yes. Though that at the time I wanted to join at the beginning of the broadcast. So I don't know what I touched. All the messages on my WhatsApp, everything wiped off. But later I was able to join you people again. Wadomo, Wako, Wawesi. No, they won't why they will. Anyway, I see me so they no nedu. Wawesi. You see, we are the ones on ground. My here, my roto. Why most of people in diaspora were here. For people to come out now to start defending the Benin's, so nobody have blessed who are. In why I'm gonna we understanding. So this thing has legal long. Some of those people in diaspora now, since the video came out since morning, and Tony Kabaka, it reminds Tony Kabaka. I'll still use that word because a piece of Mamayakin, we are also politicians.
Mama, la, APC, maname, oga doma wata.
If you go make one, please don't interrupt. Now we are finishing, then you can talk.
Dami oya correct we. Dami oje me nike.
So as I was saying,
Dami oje, Dami correct we ne. Why? Where nutaba? Eti ki aro we Dami imene. Oga APC okpa mayaki. Oga APC mayimana na. Osege do masimi. And number 2, Tony Kabaka. Ode everywhere no my sister. Where wa ati era me. Every man Tony Kabaka o yagbon ye mi no. Ko je egui, ko je venije. So ba no de bawe. Wa hen oje. Community look what APC maye ma no se ko
party mamo yari party boy yari ya
ba wa me atebe o se ga do mo atebe
party se wo ni akere
ina tie Vanaba igi tie ina we video no we wa uni ina we ma like o ina we the way I'm seeing you now ina we you are not in Nigeria because I can see where a Germany or Uji or where yes Anita Brown a Germany you know I just saw that video you did now before I got at least after this broadcast or Tony Kabaka will listen to this video. You know what you did now, you are giving those Ijaws, we are giving them more power. Look at the video they did the other day 2 days ago. You know threatening him here. You know get the whole Edo state. So now you did a video. So what do you expect those people to do now? Or everybody has his own opinion. In a way, you might like it. Maybe people will come out this evening to speak, or this broadcast will take place. My wife before you knew it.
Mama Mutia, or where everybody have his own opinion. Also, Tony Kabaka
was soon. In a way, you know, in a way, Ma. But before you knew it now, where they have the rights, where they have the right to contest as councillor, as chairman. You know, the jobs, they are not from Benin, just that they came to settle in those states, precisely in Gelegele. This is what we are saying now. What do you expect those people to do? Now, you get them more power upon power. You know, just because we're here, or because you are my leader, or because we are in the same party. I will never talk to you again. Before I could say what I want to say, he just hung the phone on me. But on another gbera. Once I not join this broadcast, why I joined this broadcast where in yaka about the gbedo yak bomu wani via donate diaspora. Nia mighty you go yak go nu. Ni yesi mi osegenedo up to this very moment. Why ya wa wesi? Because some people now need people that even have their page. You have a page here. You have maladiando gwa because they've been bought over. So only me what are you women now in a Tony Kabaka who Emma here Emma
de bawe Tony Kabaka Osaloboa olokun enika
Emma
my sister Mudiane Oteme you know what drop it well when the lady nigga explain sensitive something no who get land in do gan no tie bo renu gan bashe o bashe e wo danima let us coordinate ourselves
more drop paper because when so ye we me na no wan
if you Mudiane okona wo make a colorate here o tie me Anita from Nigeria. Yes, he talked to me when okay, no, what is going on. So when I explain who I get land and why tell you where all how can people tell me?
More drop
We are not here for saga. We are not here for saga. We are here to explain. Please.
Exactly. Merci.
Mr. Kingsley, una ve go viego, ma ve dem no dia because me no ya magmo ya agbo because okay because Kabaka wow dem ma here if you listen to this broadcast don't you blocking we not blocking me understand me now what he did is very very bad. It's unacceptable. How can you be defending the Ijaws? Is Shakiri Ijaw? If it's Shakiri. If you don't bring a Ijaw, is it because we gave them the upper hand? Because we're okay, come and settle with us. Is that why they are trying to claim our land from us? Eh? I don't understand. Okay, look at what Asari Tokubo was doing. We were open when because Tony Kabaka no, what we are doing is not fair. But other people came out to speak. You understand? So at the end of the day, they say one more thing. So the just in here, they will start cutting that video in Kabaka. They'll start using it against us. No allow one in the diaspora. Can you why see my because all the those sat leaders, my leaders for those sat too. We don't have leaders again at those sat. They've all been bought over. We are on grant. We are the one feeling the heat. No problem. Some of them. But when you compromise, why see my because my given leader those sat. My given I tell you, I just start taking exist 67 local governments. We are the majority. My given in Matavo do. Don't know what you are. My in matter. Mama Bania. Then they are no longer in unity. Bamigo. Ilokima swe do Britannia yan makame when you brother me bujene adiowa. Yeah, they are all criminals.
Yeah, is that criminals. Yeah,
why you push to fight for us.
Not 20 years in Bala. I'm here the Huawei you go there you look one 20 years.
Tony Kabaka or I will be Joe. Bye. Merci, my sister. I don't know if another person here it's really appreciate it. My lovely sister go venze doma weruda edoma de former lukubi ovijeme osaloboa enika no tonedo or fiangbo. We went to PC as a politician. Me era ye politician me do no ye uji na bi enegwa no edo na bi enedo. Gbogbo me na do la mi na we abi politician take gbe mo de ope wo our governor. Me na ye we abi politician no ye uji no redo egbe osalobo ade be ma bugwe na keke me ma no be nyunyi me nu gwenyi na wa yopa wo imanu wa yeva wo imanu wa Tony Kabaka ki oga ma pado if you boy yo yeke iya na gwe ni ami wa ura ni ami ma ura ma ta ni mata unwu ye ata unda ogwa so abokoko asu gigbon oja aya si mi ewo ma politics carry Nigeria carry doro ne ogwego nwonwo doke aro mama te mama afafa iwe do masamogo ogo pa beze dodun somo do no baye any cow not on that double and if your banya do ya gbegbe ka o ya gbegbe wo pe awo wa ga bi o ada do bi ewe if you doggy beso or if you boy of your yeke ya do bi ba kegbe Tony Kabaka so ahie no to ni bi ego e do Tony Kabaka so abi bi ego yo di owe e do Tony Kabaka na be ya na be yo di ogwe Tony Kabaka so avivi ego me never wo isabada Tony Kabaka iwa bu ego oye ahie you shema oye ahie nige oye ahie kalotu de kidomento wa gwi ma de bi dona ni ti egbe politician we ma uwa what have we done to you guys
I was Jeremy.
I don't know if network or bring Watore. You know, when I'm talking, I have to say the way it is. If you are coming down because of what I don't care. I'm this person that say the way it is. Anyway, my sister, I just want to give you kudos. And the only moment where we're sick of Kaboje, and who are working here. Any car, but Panya, have your boy, or you can't sue, so there. Okay, I even know boy, you never talk, boy, you never talk. If you can West AJ. But yeah, don't worry, I will mute now. But when I on my video, if you just come up, either you contribute or you listen. I don't know.
Come on, no, anything. Send a request to me. I do this one. Okay, because it matter now. I do where Ogbobo. Nothing. Na matter na wata lo abe na wa lo we video ni awo mani we do mi ma kakabo wa koboku gbe keni House of Assembly, House of Rep, House of Senate, local government chairman only ya warning, but we need to go and checkmate all the APC candidate name. All the APC candidate name in Edo South. We are going to checkmate all the name. If you not like, we are go change their papa name to Sarobo, change that to. We are going to verify it. If we see any Izon, APC will not go vote for now. You know, say even Nigeria now. Even Nigeria now, they never feel like Edo people majority. They never like the damn APC. Nana, he not go do it. Where mute here?
He muted.
Okay. I'm at Tana. I know Modokpe Ronaldo and winner. A Modokpe will do bring this victory now. Kere and every do if you do with like APC now. Here. If you tell them now, majority say APC no, all of them go follow say no. So we are going to check the name. When all these Kabaka boys and APC, you people want to bring to us to vote for you people. We are going to checkmate them. If that name not be original, Obiedo, if papa, if forefather, Yasuk no. And may I not review a lot of secrets here. May I not review them. We are going to checkmate them in Edo South. Enough of all this babo, the work, monkey, the chop. Now, for now, they carry Igbo people, they come and make they call the contest. Igbo people go enter Edo, they go contest for local government chairman, House of Assembly, House of Rep. Now go they change their name to Edo. That era is gone. Abanakinayi. Aboli Igbo wa vuti Turkey. Wa Alawa. Abole Morocco. Uwa weti Turkey. On computer video wa.
Abele Morocco.
On computer video. Olo Morocco diaya uwa uwu weti Turkey. Ariye phone you wa boy. Who give you na phone and who share internet for una? Where give you so ni tade wa ba I maki wa onu na maki wa lele. Ma yire okwera mu si mi jwe. Oye mugbo egbo. All this kabiakwa whatever ma yiro Anthony Kabaka ma no ma we history ni nu gbedo tani. So Tony Kabaka wa ri oku Ijaw wa la wa. Eri wa ni ejori eri we a. Tony Kabaka eba ni nu we joni eri eri we a we na iwa mi ami struggle dog we na do try nu we connected u we gi connected. He struggle job. Their ancestors with our ancestors, you are now merging them together. Not only that, even telling the whole world that the Ijaw people, their ancestors were there before arrival of our ancestors.
Emi amoja.
Eva no know what do a point in what la tali eri aga kare wanine before ogi makere.
One man's squad. I'm so disappointed. Wanibu Wamaego Beneka. Kabaka has been like this for years. Kabaka has been this person on the show. That he may surprise way back Wanibu. Kabaka has been a betrayer. Kabaka said, "You Ogbo ya vigo. Ya 5,000. Wa 5,000 naira Kabaka. Omono ye kia bi wagbewa. Kabaka is a betrayer. Kabaka is not an Edo. Kabaka Oyuzono. Kabaka, he just came to acclaim Edo. Not of it, we had on my Edo or any Edo attracted him. Honor do vivre wo eguzon. Honor do vivre mon bo. Ni eme kena ya oppress him. Kabaka, you fail. You are failed. You failure ne. You carry yakmon. And you still remain a failure. Kabaka, you were a failure then, you are still a failure now. You were a bomb then, you are still a bomb now. Enika will continue to open your onisa. Where we announcing, now we announcing Kabaka. If you know what we don't have it do, Enika will not be for where Ladia. Ebonagbo, Ebogbe Kabaka now we announcing. Nene mi magayasi, many ate serious. O mami mami. Ora gbe do dey Aviana. Kabaka has been like this for years. Kabaka has never Kabaka ya amagbo. Wedo. Kabaka agbe livie go okay, since when you take no Kabaka agbewu, Kabaka agbelema. Where on there Kabaka agbo yuzo? Where on there Kabaka agbo igbo? If you do dog bele, uzon, if you rame. Ona, what about you uzon, ye kaka, or you are kogo beravie. Why not a kogo beravie? Or you are kogo, a kogo ye kaka, uzon of yebe. Uzon of yebe, I got so here. If you're gay, Idu ne gbema ho otan no waka awa mi otan ebe raibu mo yo waka ya ugbo and the room can na mi ami ugbo ogono mo bo ogono ka bo go abe okio ana mo mi abe mo ibe ne Kabaka ye wa mi waka wa o waka ya ebi ya bio iye na bia no si o pope Kabaka o ye pope na Kabaka o jagbon je mi o yi noraba edo ti adasi Tony Kabaka, Adasio, Adasio. If you don't know someone, if what you know about, hey, man, don't you Adasi? Oh, yeah, no, Redo, Oge Kabaka, Kabaka Raba, Ojino Raba, Adasio, Kabaka, Adasio. Adasio, Imani Vedo ya Jasenwe. Ogun no gbo ebe da bia no se o hebe gbo abia na. In fact, ogun opa kan gbe Kabaka abia na. Ogun agbe Isango agbe, Omila agbe, Olokun agbe. E ma bi water agbe, Ogbon Ajai agbe. Omila ni pe to yo agbe. Uhe agbe, Eki agbe, Ifikwe agbe. Unwo mo bo unwo mo we ya agbe. Ekpako agbe, Isomomo agbe, Isokwo oba agbe, Isagripa agbe. E Kabaka Nugwere ma biara ovie no nu e. Usobie Kabaka. Kabaka la waja gboje imi. Emi opa me ro na me tie Kabaka mu no ma. Agwe Kabaka I do this one ehami. Wa wati oji. Eni Kabaka deba. Uga tie courtesy Edo State. A courtesy. Hakpai people. Hakpai people Edo State yo. Hakpai people courtesy hakpai theirself o. Don't want no leader here. Kabaka o Adasio Adasi ave continue ene na wa agbelegbe Kabaka wa de lo si ye obo Kabaka wa du igo ye mu nebe gele ki vi so ni bi je yin wa du igo do mu ne igo ye oredo yin wa du mu ne Kabaka wa ya oya dele lo isi dele madagwa o dele ni vi so ni adu agbele ma Kabaka me no you say Kabaka na gizona wa wasunu sayo mo Joseph o yes se wana wa ya mo odomo mo na do mo e do Kabaka o sayo mo gun ye ti we be ibi di eje o wi e ma po no sugbo we Kabaka o jagbo ya ibi APC iye mo na pe ma we Kabaka e ba karo ke no gwa ke no go no be ya avie ken APC wakwe Kabaka o PDP wakwe Kabaka the party no give wakwe mode okpabo no ga our comings are governor we Kabaka no jakmo yemi see ame our governor your government go good oh ma omobe Kabaka we are if our governor you say no to courtesy. Kabaka iwa pa we government asimine ogwa ti awe boys oge we mo no ma pa ko biza say yes to courtesy ogwa de lo isi ye yabo ami o ni Kabaka ba egbe me do ya se gbo si palo ya se bo gbagbo o Kabaka wa gbele ma me na gbele me na fila yan me wa apopo me na ye catapult fi ayan me yen ni egba yan me e ba me sympathy what very yeah osalobo me ara
asi go so no e waya wesi
ko ye sister Messi la gbogbo bi aro video me ma be e we come across your video there
my Facebook account ya suspended
ade TikTok
WhatsApp mania no dia de na use WhatsApp in that way it's under restricted if the way you are gone
Kabaka wa ade TikTok
I don't start leader see am mie I give me no gbe na do sati I don't know tin ya yagi fi gbage do sat I don't central ya yagi fi gbage do sat and they are the minority, we are the majority. Because I leaders near where ya leaders for those satinia, all of the young go near ya go ya nune. What when Mariuna? Why ya wesi when the diaspora when I bunani my little sats? Why ya wesi? Kabaka, you may know what they do, you may know what you may not see now. You know the way that kind video. You may not see it. I don't know what transpired. That year for say well, whether he was on that duress, so he might because I feel funny your mom, not fear your mom.
Oh,
It my way. What he did was very, very bad. It's bad what he did. If you don't know who ma like eh.
Mama, our sister Mercy, where worry or where everybody have his own opinion. Opinion hima, or say now say or tima sister Ivenivi, no wa kale kwa because everybody have his own opinion. So may Tony Kabaka make you ready. See say everybody have his own opinion. Edo where o wa gogyoba abi oha gogyoba. So we are going to deal with Tony Kabaka. We are going to do social media to find Tony. If you are here, either fake account or you are in my FYP with fake account because I never see you. Maybe na fake account now you take the year. This is one man squad. Oha Gogyoba. Since you said you have your own opinion, and we the good citizens of Edo State, we also have our own opinion. Our opinion must count and must stand. Edo is not for sale. Either politically or wrong history. Distortion of history. You cannot do distortion of history to sell our land. You hear Tony Kabaka with your fake history. I don't know teach you that kind of narrate history. If you don't born Miss Blood, will be Ijaw's child. That one means say you can't distort our history because you want to please your son. Your son is a Miss Blood, and so fucking what? Leave it like that. Do not distort our history to please your son or your daughter. Edo history remain fair, firm, and consistent. Don't change it. Ijaw are settlers. They are strangers. Their ancestors they migrated from Ghana and across Africa, West Africa. Please, before you go talk, go and do your findings. Ijaw people, they are not Edo. Edo are not Ijaw. These are two different DNA tests. Go and do DNA test with Ijaw man, whether you all with their go resemble. Whose kind of nonsense to be that one? Come out and talk nonsense history. Evil coming out to be telling with the Edo people, we should be stepping down to Ijaw person to become governor. They call the rulers for Edo. You listen to the kind of words when you use your statements. You don't listen to your statements. I hate people that don't take correction. Someone called you and she's a woman, she's correcting you. Instead of you go to say, sorry, maybe in a mistake, I don't know, but I go come out, come address, come do another video to counter the one when I don't feel do before. As a mature person, I be what you supposed to talk. If you know Germany, Germany, my man. Ijaw. Germany, Sister Ivie, Germany, dear. Now Germany, Tony go.
Single mother, single mother.
Na beer, Germany na beer that take do water. Now they take represent. Germany not get water.
Water. Tony Kabaka do that will not face you. Tony Kabaka, he walk you up. Not be everything I want to talk. My sister Mercy, I want to tell you something. My beggar and we are going. I don't have a Tony. When I want to correct but mommy, my sister, anybody that will call you online to threaten you or they want to threaten you, my sister, don't hesitate. Take my number, please inbox me. I'm going to send you my number. Bring that person's pictures to me. Let me, okay.
Yeah, all of them know me now. All of them know me.
Bring the person's name and everything. Anybody that will threaten you, That person will go down with Kabaka. Kabaka no bonisa. He will go down.
You know Kabo ya dame. You know ya Kabo ya dame se. E Kabaka. Oma ume mi dande. I ere manania. Ema ume mi dande. In the whole of Edo State. I would very bold. I will go to Kabaka's house. Iri eva evani. But it don't mean if you don't even anyway. You know don't see you. Anyway, I know say not the Nigerian. I know not Germany. Now you are in Germany. I know I can see it on your status or where matter no. And it's now the way this video we wa now or cause me no boom or cause no boom. Umagwa very yo. At least you would have called those Ijaw to order where this place this is your settlement. You know they say when you will talk to them. But this video that you did now, what do you be your women with the Beninese? Understand even here. So the way he spoke, I wasn't happy. Before you don't know what I feel funny your mom. Everybody said to his own opinion. Emata.
My sister. Hey, Eva. Me your weba. Hey, no. If you don't know me, Kabaka me Germany. Wafia of your door, waswa of your door. No me Kabaka me Germany. Wafia of your door. Wafia of your door, fear of your door, swear of your door. Don't go of your dog, why you be lolo ha.
Man, no one night them man.
Kabaka, oh, Jack Boyani, no, you know. Oh, you know, Tifia. Eva vi mani aga mi ne video ni we no we eva vi man we no go abi no ne ga go o yo ba Kabaka o yo ba o yo do no roto ma sete no roto fo Kabaka ni gbona maru asungu la re ayo dukun nai du wa pon ni se ge pin wa ni Kabaka wa ke gbon wa mo dia obi je me to be merci no bi je me yo go mo bi je me to be ga pin wa ni Kabaka ya wa pe kere ko ja gboja mi to ni Kabaka owe no mwewe ko are ogo ji no ga pe na suru
yes you go
Any ka